So, what do you guys think on your Facebook?
I don't know.
It's alright.
okay. Like, I don't know why people make such a big deal out of it, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Kelly, who are you texting?
Texting Star. What are you texting her about?
Attention all people! There's a big blizzard on the way. Please take the necessary precautions.
Oh no, you guys, what do we do?
That is
I don't know,
all.
I've never been in a blizzard before. Kelly, why are you smiling?
Because I love ice cream. Not that kind of blizzard, you idiot. They're so yummy. I love ice cream.
You're gonna be ice cream if we don't figure out what to do about this snowstorm.
I know. We can go inside and check the computer. The internet will have the answer to our conundrum.
Good idea, Erica, let's go.
Okay.
Come on, Kelly, I said let's go. What? Oh, sorry, guys.
What to do if there is a blizzard? Enter.
Do not eat snow. Why not?
Because you have to melt it first.
Oh.
Duh. Why?
Because it says here that it'll lower your body temperature, which is bad.
Oh, I get it.
I don't get it.
So what else does it say?
Let's see. Stay in your vehicle.
Guys, I don't have a car.
Okay. Oh, here's the important stuff. Stay indoors. Have an alternative heat source like a fireplace or a wood stove. Eat and drink often so that your body has energy to make its own heat.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Wear layers. And, oh, some important stuff to have in a blizzard is a flashlight and extra batteries, battery-powered radio to have outside contact,
Well, that's smart.
extra food and water, and high-energy foods such as dried fruit or candy.
Oh my god, guys, candy! Calm down. Don't worry, we have some in the cupboard. It'll be fine. Just relax, okay? So anyways, some other stuff is some extra medicine and first aid supplies, an emergency heat source such as a space heater, fire extinguisher and a smoke detector, and extra sleeping bags and blankets.
Good idea. Okay, I think we have all that stuff.
Kelly, where did you get that?
Let's go get everything together.
Wait, guys, I'm not done my ice cream.
Oh,
Nelly.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream! Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream! Yummy, yummy, yummy with a cookie on top. I filmed it too.
Yo, Kelly, who are you texting?
texting Steven Zhao.
Dairy Queen.
Could we like Photoshop in like a big Dairy Queen monster coming after?
That might be kind of hard.